Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to continue my super high level overview of the AWS machine learning services, this time looking at Amazon Fraud Detector. Now once again, for nearly all of the AWS certifications, a very high level overview is more than enough. If you do need any additional knowledge for the course that you're studying, I will have follow-up videos. But this one just covers the basics, so let's jump in and get started. Now, Amazon Fraud Detector, as the name suggests, is a fully managed fraud detection service. So this allows you to look at various historical trends and other related data and identify any potential fraud as it relates to certain online activities. So this might include things like new account creations, payments, or guest checkouts. Now the architecture of this, much like the other managed machine learning services, is that you upload some historical data and you choose a model type. Now for this particular service we have a few different model types. First we have online fraud, and this is designed for when you have little historical data and you're looking to identify any problematic events such as new customer accounts. You might not have any data for a particular customer. Logically enough, they're just signing up for an account. So this looks at general trends such as if there are any surrounding elements of concern around this particular sign up for this particular user. Now we also have another model type which is transaction fraud, and this is ideal for when you do have a transactional history for that customer, and this transactional history can be used to identify any suspect payments. This is fairly commonly used when you're performing credit card transaction validation. Generally you do have a full purchase history for a customer, so for example what stores are used, the types of purchases that are used, the value of those purchases, the countries that the purchaser is in or the store is in, as well as the amounts and times of day. So you can build up a fairly good profile for a given customer of what their normal transactions are like. And this is what this particular model allows. So you can import the transactional history for one or more customers and use this to identify any suspect payments. And then the last is the account takeover model type. And this can be used to identify any phishing or other social media or social based attacks. For example, if somebody signs in from a completely different location or if they're referred from a certain site, all of this can be taken into account to identify if this user has potentially been affected by an account takeover attempt. Now the way that this product works is that all of the various events are scored, and then you can create rules, which is basically a type of decision logic, and use this to react to these scores based on your business activity or business risk. So Amazon Fraud Detector is another back-end style service which generally you're going to be integrating into your applications or environments rather than using interactively from the console. Now this high-level understanding is everything that you'll need for most of the AWS exams, so I'm going to limit this video to covering just this high-level overview. So at this point we have finished. Go ahead and complete this video, and when you're ready, I'll look forward to you joining me in the next.